I want to share with you something I'm going to be doing on August 20th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to be doing a live broadcast on a math topic. The topic's going to be factors in GCF. You're going to be able to watch the live broadcast down here from this player down here. Right now it says that it's offline, but on Wednesday at 7 o'clock, if you just hit play here, it'll be a live broadcast of me working out some of these math topics I'm going to be covering factors in GCF that day. In addition to that, I've also included on here a PDF file of that day's lesson. This is going to be the worksheet that I'm going to be covering. So if you want to print this out beforehand and have it so that you can work out the problems with me, go right ahead. If you click on that link and just hit open, it brings up the PDF file. You just go up there to File, go down here to Print, and you can print that file, okay? And so that you have it, so that you can work it out with me as I'm going over those problems. I've also put it on a chat room, so if you get to a point where you have a question, you don't quite understand the problem, go in here and you can put in your question. You can do it several different ways. You can do a voice, or you can just have like a microphone pick up your voice and do an audio chat kind of. You can type it in, do a text chat. You can do a webcam, so if you have a webcam, you can put that in, and you can do an annotation message where you can just write your message freehand into it. Okay, so that's the chat room option there. I've also added an assessment. So after you're done watching the video, you can go back and check, how well do I understand this concept. So if you click on this link, it brings up the assessment. It's 10 multiple choice questions, so you're going to have to work out those questions, and then you just go to the drop down menu and you pick your answer. Okay, but before you even do that, I'm going to go back here. You got to put your name and then your email address in here. Now the reason I have you put in your email address is because I'll email you your results once you finish, so that you can see which ones you got right and which ones you got wrong. So after you go through and answer those 10 questions, down here at the very bottom, you just hit grade and submit. Okay, and if you made a mistake or you want to start over, you can just click on the start over or erase all of your answers and you can start again. Okay, so that's the online assessment feature. I've also added a couple other PDF files. I've on additional practice. This is and then I put the answers with there. So if you want to go and do the additional practice and then check your answers, there you have those two PDF files. I also put on a poll so that you can vote for the next week's broadcast. So you got to have a little bit of say on what I'm going to be teaching and what I'm going to be covering in the next week's live broadcast. I've limited your choices though to LCM prime factorization, mixed numbers and fractions, fraction operations, adding and subtraction, and fraction operations, multiplication and division. So pick one, vote on one of those four, pick it, okay, and if it comes out to be the one that has the most votes, that'll be the topic that I'll cover for that week, okay? So I hope to see you come out here to MathGuy.Pbwiki.com on Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I hope to answer some of your questions with factors in GCF.